Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your Google Photos. And firstly, of course, you need to install this application, so go to the App Store or Play Store, install it. Then you need to open it, sign in into your account, or if you're already in some account, you can click at the profile icon at the right top, and right here select your account if you use another one. So right here in the photo we have all photos and videos, but not all of them. Some photos you can find in the collections, in the archive, if you move it to the archive. So if you move it here, you will not see them in the Photos feed, just in the archive. So if you want to see them with all photos, just move it back. And you will have it. Also, we have some photos in the locked folder. So maybe you have it also here. Right here, you can also check it. And if you delete the photo from locked folder, it will permanently delete this photo. So it do not move this photo to the trash like with normal photos, but just permanently delete it. Also, you can use search bar and you can find some photos here. Let's say we can write dog and it will show you some photos with the dog. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!